Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the classic invert shortcut to the action button on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, swipe across and then tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, scroll down and then tap on Action button. In here, you want to swipe across until you can locate Accessibility. Then tap on the shortcut chooser. And then in here, under the Vision section, tap on Classic Invert. Once Classic Invert has been assigned to the action button, you can then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Whenever you need to access the invert, you can press and hold on the action button, and this will invert your screen color. Press on it again, press and hold on the action button will allow you to switch it off. So you can press on a toggle button to switch on or switch off Classic Invert. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.